2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features.
This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, navigation system, traction control, stability control, backup camera, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.